Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Managing your payment methods on Netflix is essential, but removing a credit card isn't as straightforward as adding one. So today I'm going to show you how to remove a credit card or any card from your Netflix account. First of all, go to your preferred web browser and visit the official Netflix website. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Once logged in, hover over your profile symbol and select Account from the drop-down menu. On the account page, find and click Manage Payment Information located in the right-hand pane. Netflix requires at least one active payment method, so you can't remove your card without adding a new one first. Click on Change Payment Method and select an alternative option such as PayPal or other credit card or debit card. Provide the necessary credentials for the new payment method and save the changes. Now, how to remove a credit card using a mobile app. If you are using the Netflix mobile app, you won't be able to manually remove your card. Instead, you must first cancel your membership. Launch the Netflix app on your iOS or Android device and sign in. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select Account. Scroll down and tap Cancel Membership. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Once your membership is cancelled, visit the Netflix Contact Us page through your web browser. Select either Call Us or Start Live Chat. Request the removal of your credit card information. Why you might be unable to remove your card? There are a couple of reasons why Netflix may not allow you to remove your card. Third-party billing. If you signed up for Netflix through a third-party provider like iTunes, Google Play, you must update or remove your payment details through that provider's platform. Default payment method requirement. Netflix requires an active payment method at all times to prevent service interruptions. This means you cannot remove your card unless another payment method is added first. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.